Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Today we are making up another potato salad. We all make them different ways, and I have so many ways that I like to make my potato salad up. This can be something like the original one, but you just take out and add a little bit more tart, a little bit more mustard, sweetness, just switch it up a little bit. We're going to have some ribs tomorrow, so I'm making my potato salad tonight so it can set up and all those flavors. It's crucial for potato salad, any pasta salads really, to set up so all those flavors can come together. So what I did is baked my potatoes. I have 6 medium russets, and I like to bake them because I don't like my potatoes boiled because they hold on to too much water, which can cause a watery potato salad. And I just mashed them up a little bit. And you can leave them, and that's another thing. Sometimes we like it chunky, sometimes we like it more smooth. A lot of people like to mash them completely up. But here's my mayonnaise. And let me get... Well, Scarlett, I could have told you to come get Grandma a spoon, but that's okay, I have it. You smiling over there at me? Yeah. And everything I'm putting in this potato salad is in the description. And I'm going to add my milk. I got some celery sitting in there a while ago. See it there in the bottom of the cup. And I'm going to put in my mustard. This is more of a mustardy potato salad. Okay. I'm going to add my pickle juice. This is your dressing. There's my celery seed and my salt, pepper, and we're just going to give this a mix and get it all mixed up. Okay, let me zoom this out a little bit. I'm on my own today here. Okay, I got my dressing here made up. Now to that, we're going to add some chopped boiled eggs. You chop them as fine or large as you want. I keep them so-so. And we have our celery and our green onion. That goes in. Am I doing it right, Scarlett?
Yeah.
I am?
Uh-huh.
Okay, I want to get all that out of there. What I can. Our pimentos. And a little bit of fresh parsley. Put it all in there. And I'm going to just pour our dressing over. Get that out of there. I just got a new puppy. I don't know if I got my arm in there or not, but boy, she's got my arm all scratched up. Her nails grow so fast. So let's go ahead and just mix this up. Now, if you want a more smooth mashed potato salad, just mash them up a little bit with your potato masher. But I'll get this mixed up. Okay, there's the potato salad. I put it in a different bowl because the other one was too deep. That's my mama's old Tupperware bowl that she's had forever. But there it is. I'm going to get a lid on this. I boiled an extra egg. Can you all see that? I boiled an extra egg and cut it and just put it on top. And put a little bit of paprika just for garnish. And there it is. But if you're new to the channel, I welcome you and thank you for being here. I hope you're enjoying the channel, the videos. If you do enjoy, please like and subscribe and share and go check out my merchandise. And that's about it. As I always say, if I forget anything, I'll put it in the description box. Once again, everything you need for this potato salad is in the description box. So we will see you guys next week. Take care. Love y'all. Stay blessed. Bye-bye.